Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Mazda 3 Neo Sports hatch, stock reference number 5754. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, light sun cracks, left-hand headlight also light sun cracks, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front's 15-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents and one large dent. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy made with an average tyre. We have the left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy made with an average tyre. Right front door has a light fold on the rear edge and a small dent at the front. Right power door mirror. Right guard has one small dent. And right front 15-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls.